PL-300 is the Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst exam. The associated credential is Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate. Microsoft organizes the English skills measured as of April 20th, 2026 into 4 connected areas: prepare the data, model the data, visualize and analyze the data, and manage and secure Power BI. This overview shows that official map and how our 5 PL-300 practice videos can support your study. Microsoft positions the candidate as a Power BI data analyst who delivers actionable insights, creates clear visualizations, enables self-service analytics, and works with business stakeholders, analytics engineers, and data engineers. You should be comfortable with Power Query and DAX. Microsoft currently gives you 100 minutes. The exam is proctored and may include interactive components. Use the official exam sandbox before test day and do not plan around a fixed question count. For the English skills measured as of April 20th, 2026, Microsoft lists 4 connected skill areas. Prepare the data is 25 to 30%. Model the data is 25 to 30%. Visualize and analyze the data is 25 to 30%. Manage and secure Power BI is 15 to 20%. Study these as connected skills rather than isolated topic lists. Microsoft also says the assessment is proctored, allows 100 minutes, and may include interactive components. The first video is a 35-question PL-300 practice exam focused on Power Query and data preparation. Start there when you need to sharpen preparation decisions. The second is another 35-question practice exam, this time focused on DAX and data modeling. Use that one to sharpen modeling decisions. The connection matters. A model works with the data you prepared, and a report works with the model you built. The third video is a 35-question PL-300 practice exam on Power BI report design. Use it to sharpen how you build and refine reports. The fourth gives you 35 questions on analytics and Copilot. Work through it after data preparation and modeling, so each reporting decision has a clear data and model context. The fifth and final video is a 35-question PL-300 practice exam on the Power BI service, refresh, and security. Use it to practice the operational side of Power BI, how content stays current and appropriately protected. Use each video as deliberate practice. Read every scenario fully. Pause playback. Commit to one answer and state your reason before continuing. In a separate study log, record 3 things: the requirement you may have overlooked, the Power BI boundary that could change the decision, and why your choice might fail. Revisit Microsoft Learn, then repeat the scenario until you can explain the boundary without guessing. Together, the 5 videos give you 175 original questions, 35 per video, and run for about 4 hours and 44 minutes. They take you from Power Query and data preparation through the Power BI service, refresh, and security. Use Microsoft's practice assessment to identify your weakest skill area. Which video will you start with, and why? Use the exam sandbox before test day to learn the interface. The next step is not more passive watching. It is a specific study decision about what to practice first.